Hello dear students. Today I will be explaining you the poem The Road Not Taken. This poem has been taken from the Beehive book of class 9th and it has been written by Robert Frost. In this video I will be explaining you the stanzas of the poem and I'll be telling you about the literary devices which are used in the poem. Before I begin, let me just brief you up about Robert Frost. Robert Frost was a well-known American poet and he was born in San Francisco. He belonged to 20th century, but still he is different from other modern poets. That is because he is modern in spirit and traditional in the style of his poetry. The poem The Road Not Taken is based on a very common experience. It is also a metaphorical and autobiographical poem. When it is autobiographical poem, you must be understanding that it is actually written about poet's own experience. And it is metaphorical because a lot of metaphors are present in the poem. The title itself is a metaphor. The poem is of 20 lines that have been divided in 4 stanzas, and the rhyme scheme of each line is AB, AAB. So let me begin with the first stanza. It says, the 2 roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry, I could not travel both. And be one traveler along, I stood and looked down as far as I could, to where I bent in the undergrowth. So here, the word I depicts the poet is talking about himself. That's why the poem is autobiographical. So the poet comes across a road that is dividing into 2. He wonders which road to follow, and it was not possible for the individual to handle both the roads simultaneously. So he had to make a choice between the 2 roads that were in front of him. He stood there for a long time looking at one of the road. His eyes were followed by it till it curved into the undergrowth. Undergrowth means here bushes, and nothing was visible. Now children, let me tell you the literary devices. In this stanza, the poet has used a metaphor. Metaphor is a poetic device used to compare 2 different ideas or things. It is not a direct comparison, but a reader has to infer its meaning of the comparison made. We see that the poem begins with the word 2 roads diverged. Here the poet has used a metaphor. Road is the symbol of choice we get to make in life. Then the poet talks about yellow wood, which actually refers to the forest but decomposing leaves that are shed from the trees. It stands for the world where people have been living since a long time. In the last line, the poet uses the word undergrowth which refers to the unknown world of darkness that the poet cannot see. Another literary device that the poet has used in this stanza is imagery to represent object, actions, and ideas in such a way that it appears that physical sense of a reader. So the line that says, "Two roads diverged in yellow wood," Robert Frost has used imagery in this line. Now let me show you the rhyme scheme of the stanza. You will be able to understand why the rhyme scheme is AB, AAB. Here the last word of the first line, that is wood. So we mark it as A. Then we come to second line, last word is board. So wood and both are not rhyming. So we give it a name B. Now you see the last word of the third line is stood. Stood rhymes with wood, so we will name it A. Then the next one is could, that rhymes with wood and stood, so it will be A. So now the last word of the stanza is undergrowth. It rhymes with both, so we name it B. So altogether the rhyme scheme becomes AB, AAB. In the next video, I will be explaining you the next paragraph.